Andre, you've spoken about the habits, what you think are the habits of highly successful traders. So kind of the opposite now, what would you say are very common trading mistakes that people make?
Common trading mistakes. That with very little money, you can make a lot of money. And it's something actually being hugely encouraged by many of these platforms that they want to take your business. They want you to trade with them. So they say, oh, you have £1,000. Oh, you know what? You're going to make £400 a day. And in fact, with the £1,000, you're very likely to, I would give it 99.9% chance you will lose your £1,000. You will never see a profit because the system is designed that way. The whole thing is designed that way, and they encourage you to take a lot of margin. Don't take too much margin because you want to maximize your profit. I don't know, they gave 1 to 500 margin, so £1,000 you get £500,000 to play with or something. So a small movement, you're wiped out, which is more likely than you making a huge amount of money. Now they've kind of narrowed it down, the margin levels now in UK anyway. But don't take too much margin. Don't think with £1,000 or £2,000 you're gonna make a fortune. It's going to be very difficult. I mean, you need at least minimum about 5,000 euros or pounds or dollars to start trading. Ideally, you probably need about 25,000. With 150,000, I think you will do very well. Actually, you can make a living, serious living, and change your life. With probably 100, provided you follow the right strategy, of course. That's another mistake. And another major mistake, which I mentioned earlier, is trading when they shouldn't trade. Don't trade when you shouldn't trade, when you're guessing, when you haven't done your homework, when in your gut and intuition you know it's the wrong time, because you'll fail. So that's another thing. Don't trade when you shouldn't. Don't take too much margin, and don't think with very little money you're gonna change your life. You wanna practice? Sure, go ahead, practice, but I can tell you with £1,000, probably you're gonna lose all of it. And I know that. There's like hundreds of thousands of people lose their £1,000. So take it as education, maybe. Either stay with the market, become a trader, or don't. Maybe you learned your lesson. It was a bitter pill to swallow, or whatever. But most people don't, because they think, now I figured what I should do. So maybe they put another £1,000 or £2,000, and they lose that. I'd say you need about 5,000 to survive the fluctuations, even when you get the direction right, even when you're doing well. I mean, having said that, again, if you're following the right strategy, even with little money, you can, if you follow and discipline, you can make money and increase your fund, so you can become more and more serious. It is a possibility. People, for example, in Forex can make money even with little money, but you need the right strategy. If you're following the old established methods of trading, or what you've been told, I don't know, candlesticks, I don't know, Fibonacci, this, that, you know what I mean. I mean, everybody uses something or the other, but they are designed to make you fail, because actually they were taught to you, so you fail.